Count cells between dates. Let's suppose we have a list with certain names and their date of birth with different years. Now we will find out how many students are in different years, like in 1999, 2000, 2001 and 2002. To count number of cells that contains dates between two dates, you can use the COUNTIF function. Now we will use COUNTIF function to count the cells between dates. This is how you count cells between dates. I have provided this formula in this video's description. You can copy the formula from there. And thanks for watching this video.